love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So in today's lecture we'll be seeing about NumPy. In the previous lecture we actually saw what a NumPy is, the numerical Python, how it is actually very fast. So in today's lecture we'll be seeing about the concept called arrays and NumPy. So side by side will be actually working. Okay, as I said, like this NumPy, we will take a chapter by chapter, we'll clear everything and then we'll keep moving. All right. So this is the very first one. Even this thing even came in the previous lecture, so nothing to worry about it. So in this thing, let's actually see when I actually run it. It actually gives me, this is called the ND array, and we also saw that we also saw that briefly in the previous lecture. Okay, so this part we need not worry about it. All right, so let's actually move on to the other ones. So let's see what all things are there in the array, and let's move on. So this is the way we actually import the NumPy. This is the alias. We actually import the NumPy as NP, and then we create an array variable. So the np dot array, and then we define it, and then we say print arr, and it actually gives everything what the array is. So this also we saw. So now we are going to create a 0D array. There are three different kinds of array, right? 0 dimensional, 1 dimensional, 2 dimensional, possibly 3 dimensional. Let's actually see how it is. So you actually import the NumPy as MP, and then we say array this alias dot array of 42, and then print arr. So this is a 0 dimensional. What it means, a 0 dimension, there is no dimension here. It actually gives like this. Okay, so this is a 0 dimension. Now let's see what a 1 dimensional is. Any array that has 0 dimensional arrays and its elements is called unidimensional or 1 dimensional. Now let's see what this thing is, and let's see how it is actually working. So if I actually take it, I'm importing this NumPy as NP, aliasing array this thing, and I'm actually calling it. It's very similar to what I actually did it in the before. And if you see, like, this is the 1 dimensional, so this is called the unidimensional 1 dimensional. A 0 is there is no parenthesis here. Now let's actually go to another one, the 2 dimensional. So let's actually see what a 2 dimensional is. Anything which has a 1D array, and then the other one is also called as a 2 dimensional. We say an import NumPy as MP, and then we say this, we actually create 2 dimensions here. Remember this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We actually put this as one set, and we actually put this as second set, and then we print an array. So now see here, 1 dimensional, 2 dimensional, it actually comes here, it actually locks here. So this is a 2 dimensional. So there must be something called as a 3rd dimensional also. So let's see what a 3rd dimensional is, and it is not a big thing. You guys should have actually figured out. So it should also have a 2 dimensional. So here, like, what I do is I have this alias, okay, 2 times I'm actually calling this. Okay, this is one set, closed, and this is my second set, and this is closed. I'm actually printing this. So see here, so this is a 3 dimensional. Okay, so where are we going to be using it? What is the example? Don't worry, let's actually do that. Okay, check number or dimensions. Okay, it provides an ndim attribute that returns an integer that tells us how many dimensions the array have. Okay, let's actually try that. Okay, now if you actually see this, I'm importing this aliasing, and then this is a 0 dimensional, and this is a 1 dimensional, 2 dimensional, 3 dimensional. I'm saying, like, print my dimensions for all these things. Okay, fairly simple. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is exactly what I did. All right, higher dimensional arrays, yeah, we can also have higher dimensional arrays. When the array is created, you can define the number of dimension by using the n dimension argument. Okay, so if we actually go here, so let's actually see this. Okay, array is here, and then we say, like, we take it up to 5, print array, print the number of dimensions as a or r dot this up to this 5. Okay, this nd dimension. So let's actually see what it gives. Yeah, so it gives, like, the number of dimensions is 5, because you take this array which is a 1 dimensional array, but you say nd min equals 5, you're actually printing this, you're printing the number of dimensions as this thing. So what is this thing again? an array can have any number of dimensions. When the array is created, you can define the number of dimensions. You can define the number of dimensions by using n dimension. Okay, ndmin, not ndim, ndmin. So you can have any number of directions in an array, and that is defined by ndmin. Alright, so this is what this thing, okay, this is what our dimension is. We have actually seen the first chapter of arrays. Okay, so hang in there, we'll actually keep moving, and we will also try a lot of things so that we're actually familiar, like the way we build the pyramid in Python. Till we see next time, take care, thank you, and cheers.